Jake, you got a present from Grandma. Jake, you got a present from Grandma. Do you know Grandma? You want to see Grandma's presents? Grandma sent you presents. Grandma sent you presents. Okay, so it's in this box. Stay. Sit down. Stay. 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 Okay, get your presents. What's that? Oh my God. What else? Ooh! What else do you have? What else is in there? Get it! Jacob. Get your box. I know, I see it. He was like that. What else is in there? Get in there. Get it. Is there more? Get it. Get it, lazy. Okay, maybe that one's not yours. Okay, that one's not yours. Thanks. Thank you. That one's not yours. Oh no. Let me get back. Okay, thank you. Okay. Grandma, this is tougher than we thought. Hot stuff. You're a hot stuff. Hot stuff. Where are you going to go with it? Where are you going to go? Oh my goodness, there's more. Look. Look at this one. Get it. I see another one. Get it, get it, get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, thank you, Grandma. That was a challenge. Fortunately, we're worried about going outside and barking at the dogs, but thank you, Grandma. We love you.